Ay kabayan, looking for your dream home para sa pamilya mo? Let me show you Thea Townhouse dito sa Lancaster, New City, Cavite. May 3 cozy bedrooms, perfect para sa parents at para sa mga kids na may sariling space to dream. Meron ding 2 toilet and bathrooms na makakatulong para hindi stressful ang busy mornings. Plus, may garage at service area na swak for your everyday needs. Compact pero smart ang design, kaya ideal siya for growing families na gusto ng sariling house and lot. At bakit dito sa Lancaster, New City? Number 1, strategic ang location. Malapit sa Metro Manila via Cavitex, Calax at upcoming LRT1 extension. Number 2, safe at family-friendly community. And number 3, complete amenities, schools, malls, church at lahat na kailangan mo, andito na. Perfect talaga ang Taya for families na gusto ng sariling home with future value appreciation. Hindi lang bahay, kundi investment din.